Yes, gold is making higher high, all-time high again and again. Hi brother, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Thank you, Ali bro.
Di saya kunci kosannya karena ikannya masih di kosan, aku belum bawa ikan. Mau malam ini bawa ikannya. Mau di take over apa ininya atau gimana?
Can we wait 70? Yes, better, yeah. That's the best area guys. The first best area 70, yeah. is there is a big move, there will be a big move, guys. Don't worry, market will give you a big move. That is for sure. Two things. Again, the market will react on the US shutdown and on the tariff issue. Just like on Friday on the tariff issue, the currencies, stocks came down, gold went upside, cryptos came down. Bank holiday, no, it's not a bank holiday. US federal doesn't have a bank holiday. States can have a bank holiday. Why going downside? There will be some retracement, yeah. US session always takes some retracement, yeah. I have checked, I have not found any bank holiday today. Even we have a OPEC monthly report news and construction expanding news from the US. So I don't think so there is a bank holiday US today. But some friends are telling that it shows Trump speech. Okay, do we have a Trump speech today? I don't think so as well. No. Is it? Trump, 12th October. No, there is no Trump speech also. John Riles. About Gaza need to rebuild. It's been a while, I see you in life, hope all well. Ibrahim bro, everything was good. I mean at Azan time, yeah. A minute, guys. Okay, so Trump is making is a speech right now in Israel. It will affect, guys. Depends on what he is saying. Yeah, so definitely it will affect. Whatever he says, there will be some impact. APC says 4070 will go up. Possible. That is the first support area on 1 hour, guys. The main area 56 and 42 on 4 hour or in a structure area, guys. Minor support we have a 70, the major is 56 and 42. Alan Bro says 110 pips plus, very good, nice. But I don't support any short sell, guys. It's better to wait for the downside, go into a buy rather than doing a sell. For me, sell is not that much good, guys. Now the both time frame on TikTok and Tube are on 4 hour, guys. Yeah. Wait, yes, Isa. 60 would be 56 and 60 would be a very good area. I got a message from TT Bro on TG about joining the group. What is my tube name? Same, KFTrading. Tube also same, KFTrading. We had a very good sell position on euro USD and pound. It was so good. Exactly, it touched our area and went down. So if not gold, so there are so many things to trade. We have a crypto, we have a currencies, we have a crude oil. There are so many cryptos, guys, yeah, like BTC, Ethereum, Sol, XRP. You have been gone for long. Ganesh bro, I was not gone, but my account was gone. My last account was rest in peace, so that's why it was a new account. It took so much time to grow it, and finally I'm in front of you. Because on last account I had a follower of a 31k. Right now it's new, so trying to grow it, it takes time. At least 2 weeks it takes to become online, to get access of online on TikTok live studio, yeah. So that was the reason. Otherwise on tube I was daily available, yeah. If something happens on my TikTok account, on tube I'm always available, yeah. Because on tube is not sensitive. TikTok is so much sensitive and controlled by AI. Not my one account, but two account. 1 hour near home. In 4 hour, yeah. Now this is a 4 hour, guys. This is 1 hour. Now this is a 1 hour, yeah. So both are same, no technically difference between 1 hour and 4 hour. On 4 hour also the main area of buying is 56.42, and on 1 hour also. Roy Suresh says today US bank holiday. Okay, so it is confirmed now. It is US has a bank holiday. Done. Okay, so US bank holiday, good. Now it has been confirmed, because on Google it was showing that there is no federal bank holiday, but some states. But now group members, those are living in US, they have confirmed that yes, we have a bank holiday. MEB bro. MEB bro, wow, did a great selling, big selling. 5 lots at 91, 5 lots 78, my goodness. So now that's a good, is at least you are making a big lots maybe bro, but at least you are doing it in a right way. How? Because previously you were doing selling, buying all the lots at one area. Now if the price is coming in your favor, then you are adding some more. So that's a good sign. Yeah. Someone is asking me, if I buy at 70, what will be my stop loss? Look at this candle. This candle low is 70 and this candle low is 68, 66. So your stop loss can be 66. The scalpers, 66 can be your stop loss. It is a scalping call. Yeah. But main setup is at 56 and 42. If you want to buy early, your stop loss should be at 66. Virdo bro, the one who is asking the question. MEB bro is making a big short sell on five lot. My goodness, MAB bro. 1591, 1578, 1570. Wish. So almost 15 standard lot size MAB bro did a short sell. Bang, coba cek 5 bakal 5-minute chart. I don't do 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is telling you same thing, yeah. Boka says I'm in from 17. I forgot to take TP Friday. Very good, nice. That was a good mistake. Hello brother, hello. It's a good mistake. Sometimes we do a good mistake, guys. Profitable mistake. Mostly people, they don't place a stop loss when against of them, yeah. But you forget to place a TP. So good. So today US bank holiday, guys. So it means the more the US session, the more market will be slow. But still it's moving well, especially currencies, cryptos are moving well. So today is a bank holiday. Japan, Canada, US also. In the morning I just saw it was showing the Japan and Canada was showing holiday, but not US. How come US we have a news also if there is a holiday? So let's play some music, guys. Baka says I'm waiting for 41. Very good. Guys, I will advise everyone. See, we have seen this market. This market is a brutal market, yeah. I will advise, we have a 235 people watching on TikTok. Try to learn the trading, guys. It's one of the most profitable profession and one of the most hardest also. Hardest profession, I guess. You have to learn, guys. Easy money, it's a easy money and one of the hardest way to make money also, because emotions, psychology, mindset, all things are involved in this market. Try to learn it also. There are so many ebooks are available online. There are different strategies, ICT, SMC, price action, this, that. There are so many strategies. Try to learn it, my brother. I will give you the guarantee, guys. There is so much money in this market, so much. You cannot imagine that much money is in the market. But most of the people, they lose a big amount of money in this market, then they turn to the mentor or turn for a learning. There are two ways to learn. One, learn from a mentor, or learn online by alone, by yourself. Less expensive both. But if you learn from the market will teach you also. On every mistake there is a lesson, but the expense of learning from the market is too expensive. In the morning there was a guy who was telling that he lost $17,000 on Friday. It might be a crypto. So please take it seriously. This is not that much easy. Trading is not only buy and sell. You must have a mentor which guides you when to enter, when to out. Psychologically, money management, risk management, strategy, setup, all these things, guys. At the start you need it. You will do by yourself, very good, no problem, but try to learn it. Try to learn it. The less mistake you do, the more you learn from your mistake, the fastest you will be a profitable, on a way to profitable. Consistency, profitable, it will not come in a, it's not easy, the first thing. Secondly, it will not be in a 1 week, 1 month or 1 year. Very few people can be a profitable trader within a month, within a year. That much money in this market you can never imagine. You can never imagine that much money is in the market. You can take it. But if you think that every time you take a position, you buy, you sell, you will be a profitable trader, wrong. The less you will trade, the more profitable you will be. The new trader thinks that they need 30 pips, 40 pips traders. On 30 pips, 40 pips trader, you can never be a profitable trader at the start. Yes, once you got a good experience, you had a good strategy on 30 pips, 50 pips, then I cannot say anything, but right now, never. So it's one of the most I mean, the thing is what? Who is running the market? Just analyze the market. Who is running this market? Institutions and banks, or the big investors. Do you think in this way, the way you are trading in the market, can you be a profitable trader? Only technicals, only support, only resistance, you can be a profitable trader? No. All the time you want to buy, all the time you want to sell, can you be a profitable trader? No. Last week I have said that this will rise now. People want to chase 30 pips, 40 pips. You can never make it, guys, in this situation. Yeah. Okay, so we have couple of messages from Hambro and from Sovia. Okay. Sovia needs an Nasdaq. Hambro without gold use 0 point lot is okay. 0.4400. A minute. Fry to 21.29. Baby Goldie.
kecil pakai udah mas. Iya bapak.
Now Ham Bro from a group member. Now see, the good thing is what? You know, he has a capital of $5,600. He is asking how much should I take a risk. We have discussed at the start, now again. So that's a group member. They are very much careful about their lot size, because lot size is most important because of money management. Now how much I have suggested him for gold? Lot size 0.10 for 5,600. And if it would be anyone else, they will try to a standard lot, because his risk of 2% is almost $112. So 0.10 for currency is 0.20 if it is a 50 pips stop loss. Setups signals are secondary. The first thing is your money management. Joy Active Bro, yes, 0.10 on 5k account. Now 5k account, is it your own real account or it's a prop firm account? Is it a real? Okay, so it's your own capital, so 0.10 is a very good one. Believe me, yes, okay. This account will never be blown if you follow the money management properly, properly place a stop loss. One day you can be a stop loss, second day, but end of the day you will be a winner. And mentally you will be so much relaxed. People has a good account but their money management is so bad. Good traders, they lose or they make calculated risk and calculated rewards. Never take more than 2%, maximum 2% of your account risk. 2% is a big one. Now just imagine if someone is handling a $100 account, how much is risking? He is risking all the money. That's why if the 95 people are losing, those are small traders. They want to flip the 100 into 1000. Might be one day he can make, 1 week he can make. On the next week he will blow everything. I can see it, you so much relaxed with trading. Thank you. Yes, see, if you are not relaxed, so how can you hold your positions? Why we learn, why the relaxation, your mindset is important. We learn the technicals to know that where is my entry, where is my exit. Exit can be stop loss and TP. That learning, that knowledge will give you a relaxation of mind. Otherwise, don't you think that the A plus setup also can be failed? But relaxation of mind, confident on your setups. So money management is same. 2% if you lose, you will never cry. You will never panic. Now, if someone is telling me that I blown my account, now do you think he is a trader? He is not a trader. Trader can have a stop loss, can have a 1 stop loss, can have a 2 stop loss. Trader cannot blow the account. It's a serious crime. If someone says that I blow my account, I will not call him a trader. As simple as that. If someone takes how you blow your account, the first one, you sell in the market, you leave it without a stop loss, and it can blow your account. That's not trading. Because trading has you have a fixed entry, limited risk and limited TP. Fixed TP. Lose or make, exit from the market. If someone has not a stop loss, then can you call him a trader? No. Secondly, if someone is using a high leverage, big lot size on a smaller account, I still call him not a trader. Because when someone is using a high leverage, full margin, he is a gambler. Many my students turn, or group members, they turn from a gambling to a day trader. It doesn't mean that directly he will be a profitable. No. It takes time. At least right now they are on right path. Slowly, gradually they will understand the market, they will identify their mistakes, but on a right path. Find out any gambler who made from $100 to $5,000. Can he withdraw? No. He will lose every money in this market. Because the same way you make, the same way you will lose. Gambling is an addiction, let me tell you. It's not, they don't want to make money. I had many students, they came from a gambling. They had not any intention to make money. They need a thrill. Right? They need a thrill. From 100 to 1000, from 100 to 5000. Flipping. Good traders don't trade like that. Good traders, they don't trade on every move. Good traders, they will never in fear to miss the trade. Because for them, their money management is more important than the profit. They will ask how much risk is there. They will see the candle, how much risk is there. Do you provide trades to follow? Yes. Now my euro and pound trades are going so good. On Friday we did so good. Last week was perfect week for a crypto, for currencies. George says, I was a gambler, now I am a profitable. Now to become a profitable, it takes time, it takes to change your habit. Again, I'm telling you that gambling is addiction. Taking positions or having a positions all the time, it's addiction. So yes, we have a group, we provide signals, we provide technicals, we discuss things, right? What is your win rate? 70. Joy active, it's a 70% win rate, plus we have a good risk reward. Find out there on a Google or somewhere else, Google it. There was a guy, he was a 10, his win rate was a 10%. And he made million in this market, millions of dollars in this market. So money, win rate is important, but more important is your risk reward. How much you are risking for how much reward? If you are risking $100 for how much reward? All these strategies, all these methods are to make your mind relax. Again, I'm telling, if you panic on any trade, there is some problem. The first thing can be you don't have any proper setup, you took a position. Secondly, if you panic, might be there is a proper setup, but you risk too much. So these two things are very important. Learning money management, risk management, all these steps to take to relax your mind. If you cannot relax, you cannot hold your position for a good profit. Most of the time we lose our good trades just because we are in fear that it will go and hit our stop loss. Why we fear? Because we risk too much. Why we fear? Because we risk too much and we cannot afford to lose that much money. Right? And the one who asks only win ratio, I'll tell you that he has a less experience, less knowledge. Because his mindset is if the win rate is high, then he's a profitable trader. No. Good traders, let me tell you, good traders, profitable traders, they don't have any high win rate. They have a high risk reward ratio. Just Google it, just find it out. If you have a friend, discuss with them, they will tell you. Good traders, profitable traders, they never scared of the touching of a stop loss. Because if they know if they survive on that particular trade, they will make 2 times, 3 times or 5 times of that much money. If someone is risking $100 for 200, that is called 1-to risk reward ratio. If someone has risking $100 for $500, that's a 1-5 risk reward ratio. You can be a profitable trader if your win ratio is 20%. You can be a profitable trader on 50% also if your risk reward is simply 1.3 risk reward ratio. I risk $2 for 15 USD. Very good. That means what? 1.7 risk reward ratio. Risking $2 for target of $15. Yes, very good, nice. If he loses 2 times, 3 times, 3 stop loss, 1 TP, still is unprofitable. If 5 stop loss, 1 TP, still he is a profitable. 5 stop loss means $10 loss. 1 TP means $15 profit. Still he will be $5 profit. And his win ratio will be 20%. Still he can be a profitable trader. So the game is in win risk reward ratio, not win ratio. Win, yeah. So that is the main thing, guys. Try to learn it. Otherwise you cannot survive. Everybody, so many people, guys, trying to trade, try to make, they think that it's easy money. You don't need to hard work in this one. You don't need intelligence to trade. Just you need a money, you need to click, you need to buy and sell, you can be a profitable trader. No, never. This month I take 7 SL, 2 TPs is still up 7%. See, now this is a mindset. 7 SL, 2 TP. That strategy can give you a good mindset, a relaxed mindset. Lil Haji says risk reward is the king. Yes. So these are the things. Try to learn, guys. Don't lose your hard money. Invest in yourself. In yourself means, see, you are investing in the market. You are donating into the market. Invest yourself means learn it. Invest your money for learning. Invest your time for learning. Otherwise, if market teach you, it will teach you big, guys. The expense is so high. Yes. Now I knew that recently that today we have a US bank holiday. So if it's a US bank holiday, the market will be slow. Sorry guys. Now working on Nasdaq. Sorry guys. Couple of group members, they need to trade, they need to see the Nasdaq also, so working on a Nasdaq guys. And surprisingly the Nasdaq came down badly, but still it's bullish. Nothing is bearish. A minute, guys. I'm working for an Nasdaq. Yeah. So yeah, give me a time. A minute only. We have a US bank holiday, so yeah, market will be slow. Yes. If sometimes I'm a silent, so I'm working for a group. Yeah. RZ trading, yes, I was expecting, but we have a US bank holiday, guys. Yeah. What is BB? Breaker block. Breaker block. If the order block has been broken, that can be a breaker block. Yeah. That is a part of SMC. On price action, we will call it a structure shift, or RBS, resistance becomes support. All the strategies, price actions, ICT, SMC, all are same, but the names are different. Yeah. On price action, we call it RBS. Suresh Roy from group says finally learn how to take 50% profit while trade is running. Big Tree says we not still waiting for gold. 30-minute candle built a support 73. Ta-ta-ta-tan. Look at the euro and pound. Believe me, when you know the technicals, you don't need to trade only on gold, because our motive, my motive, your motive, everyone motive is what? To make money, not only to trade in gold. The motive is, the goal is to make money. And technical traders, they don't have any priorities that they have to trade in gold. No. Good traders, they follow the best setup. If the setup is good, they will follow it, whether it's crypto or gold or currencies or oil. So at least for me, there is no priority. It is gold or something else. If the setup is A plus or high probability, I'll do trade on it. So that should be your mindset. While that's true that the more you trade on one product, the more you will have the, you can say that what, you will understand the nature of gold. Just like mine, I was trading in gold from $400, $426, $440 from 2005. So the more you trade, the more you will understand the market. Try to understand the market. Try to understand the technicals. Try to understand the setups. Try to understand and the importance of money management and risk reward. Now discussing the thing with Delhi bro, just joined the signal group. So discussing about money management, how to handle with your money management, 2%, 1%. What if our stop loss is big? What now on a smaller time frame on 70 we have a support. But I think if the US session is the bank holiday, then the volume will be low and the range will be low. Look at the euro and pound. Look at this only. gamblers just need a thrill, guys. Yeah, don't be a gambling in this market. Control your number of trades. Maximum two times or two trades you have to do in a day. 2 times your trade is done for the day. These are the disciplines. 1 TP, 1 stop loss, done. Both TP done. Both stop loss done. Make it your rule, make it your discipline. All the day, all the night, if you trade, it's not good for your health, it's not good for your wealth, for both. And let me tell you, the traders dies early. Google it. The more the traders, they have a very short life, because all the time when we trade, we are watching, we are holding, we are handling with the stress. Right? So learning, guys, learning. High blood pressure, yes. Look at this. Last on Friday, people has lost a big amount of money on crypto and stocks. When the crypto comes down, the biggest investors goes down. But when Nasdaq and Dow's goes down, the big companies goes down. And it was a huge sell-off. And in a very short time, it went downside. New traders do what? They start with a $50, with a $100. They gamble it, they lose it, again they arrange it, then again do it again. But the same strategy, they never try to learn it. Every time they are doing a new deposit of $50, $100, $200, doing the same strategy. It means they are not identifying the mistakes. We do mistakes every day in this market. Every day we do mistakes. We learn every day from our mistake. Sometimes we don't do any mistake. We just follow our setup, but still you got the losses. Good traders, they accept the loss, they close their laptop, they go outside, they come again tomorrow. Bad traders, they blame the market, they rush into the market, they want to take a revenge from the market, they lose again. This is the difference. If you are having anxiety while holding a position, there is some problem. Find out those problems, yeah? 4 hour closed, guys. 4 hour candle closed. Look at this. After 4 hour closing, again upside. Mamma mia. Okay, Daniel bro says last Friday market went to sell and people trying to buy thinking it's coming up again. Bad psychology. Yes. KFT, I love tour mood on charts. I'm in from 76 and hold it 4100. Massive. Very good. Nice. See, for a good traders, profit is important, but most important is to manage the risk. So you have to manage your risk first. Profit is the secondary. Alan says I will trade 1 month on demo. Today I started at 3k and I'm now 3.4. Wow. 3k and 3.4. How much? If you are making big, that is a problem, Alan. Your target of the day should be from 2% to 6% maximum. Your profit target should be limited also. If you are making big, that's also a problem. If a day trade, if you are holding it for a couple of days, that's a different thing. I take partial at 50 and now holding to be positive. Let's go. Good. That's a good thing. That's a good mindset to take 50% profit and let the 50% on the break even. Because again, Alan, the way you will make, the same way you will lose. If a couple of days you made $400, so it will be a double when you lose it. Good traders, let me tell you, good traders, they don't make, let me tell you a good one, 5-6%, maximum 5-6%, 7% a week, maximum 5-6% a week, and people are trying to flip 100% within a couple of trades, within a one trade. Over trading, over risking. These two problems, most of the traders has problem over trading, over risking. Yes, if you make fast, you will blow fast. Now you got it. There was a guy who was telling me, it was a long time ago, yeah, he was offering me to account, or he was telling me to, joining a group, signal group, yeah, actually. So he told me that how much I can make in a group. I said that monthly possible 7%, 8%, 10% maximum. He said, what? Only 10%? Now look at this, monthly if you make 10%, he thinks it's a small. Monthly 10% he's making, he's a small. See, this game is a game of capital, remember one thing. 10% of $100 is $10. 10% of $1,000 is a $100. 100,000, that's a $10,000. So 10% is a big amount, depends on the capital. Yes, 1% daily, so I'm so good. Yes, nice. The same on BTC in at 104, I take 50% now, holding 130 or positive, and very good, nice. At least you have a good mindset. Messi, you have a good mindset. What is the good mindset? The good mindset is that if market is going against of you, you are taking a loss. If market is coming in your favor, you are trying to trail your trades. That's a sign of a good trader. You will be relaxed, your number of trades will be reduced. Okay guys, so yeah, learning again. Technicals learning is a different thing. But strategies, you must have a proper your own strategy. Strategy means a trade plan. For me, technicals means nothing if you don't have any strategy. For me, technical means nothing if you cannot make your trade plan. Support and resistance is not a trade plan. People think that if they learn technicals, they can be a profitable trader. No. Okay, so trade with Roy, Mr. Ice, Nomsa, all the messages are done. Okay, really also done. No more. Okay, good. Thanks, Master. I see your strategy and to calm on chart. 3 trades at Friday and now wait. Yes. Waiting is trading, guys. Waiting is a trading. Waiting is money is in waiting. $84, $85. Friday night before close market in 15 minutes I saw, okay, on 15 minute and 30 minute and jump in the market. Try to trade less. And one thing, guys, never hold your position over the weekend. Good traders don't do that. They don't care, they make money, they lose money, but this is against of their discipline. Again, I'm telling you, discipline is more important than the technicals, the money management, everything. What is discipline? Discipline is to following a couple of rules. You have to be a disciplined trader. 2%, 1% risking is a discipline. That is the rule, following it a discipline. Holding not your positions over the night, that's a discipline. It doesn't mean that tomorrow you cannot have a profit, possible profit. But the mindset, your mind will be tired. If you hold any positions, you will be tired. If you are having a very good profit, so much far from your stop loss, from your break even, then you can hold. if it is at near stop loss, it is near your break even, near your smallest loss, close it. Peace of mind is more important, guys. And always try to relax in this market. The more you will relax, the more your decision will be good. Most of the time we do losses because of we trade so much. We trade all the times. After taking a positions, we are thinking that, oh, if I would wait for 30 more minutes, 10 more minutes, I could have a better price, a smaller stop loss. If there is a smaller stop loss, take it. That trade can be good. Small risk.
If you quit, it's really easy to predict your future. But if you don't quit, if you go for it with no proof, you can't quantify it. People are going to call you crazy. Your friends are going to look at you sideways. You'll have the opportunity to play in the game and stop sitting on the sidelines. And you might fail for a while. And you might have to pay your success tax.
You get that dopamine rush from telling other people that you have these ideas and shit, rather than just showing them once you've actually done it. And I think that's
And one thing, never tell anyone that you are trading. Ibrahim, if he says join your VIP group with your live signal trades, thanks a lot, brother. Thank you so much. Now here, the one who has a trust issue, there are so many group members, they are online also, on Tube also, on TikTok also, yeah. So that's why there was a TT bro, he was not convinced, he just saw me on TikTok. So I told him to take your time. I'm coming daily online on TikTok, on Tube. So take your time. Once you are convinced, then only join it. But believe me, you will learn so many things, so many positive things. Good evening. Thank you, Ibrahim bro, for your comment. Yeah. Sarmad bro. Good evening, bro.
Agnes, you will become a robot, what you have to understand is that there is a transformative process going on in your mind right now. Right now, your pain, stay focused on what really matters. There will be times when your resolve to serve humanity will be tested. Be prepared. People will try to convince you that you should keep your empathy out of your career. Don't accept this false premise. Stay focused on what really matters. There will be times when your resolve to serve humanity will be tested. Be prepared. People will try to convince you that you should keep your empathy out of your career. Don't accept this false premise.
On TikTok, on every post has a message for staying disciplined, for your goals, motivations. There is a message, yeah.
Stay focused on what really matters.
all dollars from Bitcoin go to gold. That's a fact. Yes, not only from Bitcoin but from the stocks also, because Nasdaq Dow went downside badly.
Stay focused on what really matters.
I thought you fell asleep. Oh. Hello, bro. How are you? Why should I sleep when the market is dancing? What is your focus on gold? Upside. Our first target is 92, yeah? What is the beauty nowadays in the market? The dollar is going upside, currencies are going downside, and gold is going upside. Sir T says you are one of the best. Thank you. We're a big voice today. It's a very slow. Today, the bank holiday, US bank holiday. US bank holiday, that's why. Varvara says, Mosi, that gold will soon be worth almost $100,000. One word for you, dur dur. $100,000. Is it a Bitcoin? Possible, but not now. Yeah, $100,000 is too much. Will it go down to entry point? Not now, because the first support was 70, it went to 71, 72, then again upside. My every post has a message, guys. I do very less, sometimes one in a day, sometimes two in a day. So yeah, stay focused. Now today we don't have any New York session because the New York has a bank holiday. That's the reason, yeah. Wow, क्या हुआ तेरे को, क्या हुआ भाई? What is it, rejection? No. It went for a new high, new lifetime high. Why it should be a rejection? Rejection only if it comes downside and give you the closing, then only it will be rejection, yeah. Now I think everybody is making money in gold. Why? Because find a support on 15 minute, on 1 hour, buy it, you will make money. Don't try to sit against of the trend